You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these islands. It's in fact an archipelago. If you want to learn more names of famous places around this area, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you from Spanish Mariana. The English pronunciation is as Mariana Islands, or also known as simply the Marianas. Mariana Islands. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.